In this project, we brought a vision to life, a breathtaking hotel-scale model measuring 2 by 1.7 meters, meticulously crafted and delivered to Morocco. The client was preparing for a grand launch event, creating an immersive experience center where this model would become the heart of their presentation. Built at a 1:50 scale, it captures every detail, both exterior and interior, offering a true miniature of the real masterpiece. 30 days of dedication, precision, and artistry went into creating what is now a mesmerizing visual centerpiece for their experience center. And if you too want a stunning scaled model for your property, reach out to us through the email in the description. Our journey began with a strong foundation. We first built a solid MDF structure to support the entire model. Next, precision laser cutting shaped the platform and building parts. Every acrylic component was carefully verified for dimensions and prepared for painting. The magic began to unfold. LED and electrical systems were installed within the platform, a lush grass texture was applied, and lighting effects were tested to create the perfect ambience. A shimmering water effect was designed for the swimming pool, while SLA 3D printing brought to life intricate furniture and building details. Each outdoor furniture piece was hand-painted. Umbrellas were given vibrant dual tones, and LED strips were tested to add a warm, inviting glow. Furniture was assembled around the poolside, trees and landscaping details were added, and slowly the scene began to come alive. Lighting precision was key. We tested balcony lighting through modules, perfected electrical connections for the floors, and enhanced the flooring with a rich wooden texture using vinyl. Step by step, interior walls were attached as per the layout, floor by floor, until the structure of the hotel stood complete. A full assembly test ensured every detail was accurate. Inside, life began to take shape. Furniture was placed on the ground floor, and interior furnishings were carefully arranged on every level. Outside, the facade transformed beautifully. UV printing gave realistic textures to the walls, while stickers were applied to the more complex surfaces. With the addition of human figurines, the building felt truly alive. Windows were laser cut, painted, and fitted onto the facade. Balconies were crafted from SLA 3D prints with transparent acrylic, and LED lights illuminated the architectural design. The exterior facade neared completion, and attention turned to the rooftop, where wallpapers, 3D printed walls, paint, and assembly completed the structure. Landscaping, artistic touch-ups, and figurines were placed, bringing vibrancy and life to every corner of the model. The platform was finished with the client's branding and designed to be detachable for ease of international shipping. A robust wooden frame secured the model, which was then carefully packed in a protective wooden box and shipped safely to Morocco. This concludes our project, a perfect blend of craftsmanship, creativity, and technology. What we delivered is more than just a scaled model. It's an experience, a story, and a vision brought to life.